Dear students, welcome back to Aditya Edukam. Aditya Edukam provides general knowledge and general studies in English and Hindi. So now we discuss about yesterday's quiz. So let us discuss about yesterday's quiz. The first question of yesterday's quiz was, World Sustainable Development Summit is organized by which institutions? And the right answer is Energy and Resource Institute. Energy and Resources Institute. The second question was, which country has proposed a new security bill that intends to protect police officers from online violence? And the right answer is in France. The third question was, which section of Buddhism does not believe in idol worship? Which section of Buddhism does not believe in idol worship? And the right answer is Hinayana. The fourth question was, who is the founder of Wikipedia? Who is the founder of Wikipedia? And the right answer is Jimmy Wales and Larry Sanger. Then we move to our last question was, where is the longest corridor in India situated? Where is the longest corridor in India situated? And here the right answer is Rameshwaram. So student, this is all for yesterday's quiz. Now we will discuss about today's session. So let us start about today's session. So the first question of today's session is, which state has the highest road density in India? Which state has the highest road density in India? Option A, Maharashtra. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Gujarat. या option D, Rajasthan. Which state has the highest road density in India? And here the right answer is option B, Kerala. Next we move to our question number 2. Forest Research Institute is located in which city? Forest Research Institute FRI is located in which city? Option A, Shimla. Option B, Manali. Option C, Dharmashala. या option D, Dehradun. And the right answer is option D, Dehradun. Next, we move to our question number 3. Who holds the CRR deposits of banks? Who holds the CRR deposits of banks? Option A, RBI. Option B, SBI. Option C, IDBI. या option D, ICICI. And the right answer is option A, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Then we move to question number 4. Which plant grows in desert? Which plant grows in desert? Option A, cactus. Option B, rose. Option C, lily. या option D, lotus. Which plant grows in desert? And here the right answer is option A, cactus. Next we move to question number 5. In which year Negotiable Instruments Act came into force? In which year Negotiable Instruments Act came into force? Option A 1880, option B 1881, option C 1882 या option D 1883. And the right answer is option C 1882. Next we move to question number 6. Which insects have white blood? Which insects have white blood? Option A butterfly, option B mosquito, option C cockroach या option D flies. Which insects have white blood? And the right answer is option C cockroach. Then next we move to our question number 7. What is the full form of VGA? What is the full form of VGA? Option A Videographic App, option B Video Graphics Array, option C Video Generating App या option D Videogram Array. What is the full form of VGA? And the right answer is option B Video Graphics Array. Next we move to our question number 8. Which state is the major producer of jute in India? Which state is the major producer of jute in India? Option A Bihar, option B West Bengal, option C Odisha या option D Assam. The major producer of jute in India is, the right answer is option B West Bengal. Then we move to our question number 9. Which state has the highest number of international airports in India? Which state has the highest number of international airports in India? Option A Maharashtra, option B Gujarat, option C Kerala या option D Kolkata. And the right answer is option C Kerala. Then we move to our last question, question number 10. Which one is the largest inland saltwater lake in India? Which one is the largest inland saltwater lake in India? Option A Chilika Lake, option B Dal Lake, option C Sambhar Lake या option D Pokod Lake. And the right answer is option C Sambhar Lake. So student, this is all for today's session. Now I will ask some questions for today's quiz. Please be participate. The lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung tab. So don't be lazy, be hurry and participate the today's quiz competition. So start. So the first question of today's quiz is, which script is used in Hindi language? Which script is used in Hindi language? Next we move to our question number 2. Which one is only rack railway in India? Which one is only rack railway in India? Write your correct answer in this video's comment section. Next we move to question number 3. Who discovered the first sea route to India? Who discovered the first sea route to India? Then we move to our question number 4. What is the full form of KYC? What is the full form of KYC? Next we move to our last question, question number 5. The Paradip port is located in which state? The Paradip port is located on which state? So students, this is all for today's quiz. So please be participate, and the lucky winner will definitely get a chance to win a Samsung Tab. So give your right answer in this video's comment sections. If still you are not subscribed Aditya Edukam, please do subscribe Aditya Edukam and like and share within your friends. Thank you so much all students, and good luck.